Have you ever been given any assignment or research work where you went to Google, put in your request, but you couldn't get any meaningful resources? I mean, Google gives a lot of chunk. You have to read a lot of articles, look through a lot of things to locate the information you want. But today I want to share with you a very important platform that is a solution to all these problems. This is a platform that gives you straightforward answers to your questions, saves time, and increases productivity. So if you're a student and you're watching this, stick to it till the end. Anyway, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell so that any video I upload, you will have access to it. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a platform called ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This is a platform that was designed by OpenAI and has been equipped with the ability to communicate with humans, of course, like you and like myself, in a very natural language, that it is able to learn along your conversations and give you the best of results that it can ever give. So you see, this is a very important platform, I think, that you should know and you should use. Alright, so comparing to going to Google, I've already said that Google will give you a lot of junk, but this place gives you straightforward answers. What is important is that you know how to communicate with it, and it is the best. Alright, so for you to access the platform, you have to go to chat.openai.com. When you enter that into your browser, you will see a page like this. Since you do not have an account, you have to sign up. So you click on sign up to sign up or to create an account. And you have a very simple way of signing up, just your email, of course your working email, and your password, because you need a working email because you will be confirming your email. Alright, so we input our email here, then you click on continue, and then the password you want to use. Of course, for the purpose of this this tutorial, I would like to use something very simple. We'll go to your email and then confirm it. Okay, so we come to our Gmail and then we confirm our Gmail account. So you click on this verify email address. Of course, you can use your smartphone to do all of these things. It doesn't work on only laptops. So email verified. Then you will come back to our page and then chat.openai.com, and then here we are going to log in. Alright, we've already created an account, so we are going to log in. So we input our Gmail, the Gmail you use to register. And then our password. Then I click on continue. Okay, so you have to fill this information too. So your first name, let me say Samson, then your last name, and then your date of birth. So your month, the day, and then the year. So let me say that month, the day, and then the year. Continue. So you input your phone number, then send code. Alright, so a code will be sent to the number, and then you enter the code here. 0. Okay, so we are here right inside the platform where we can have access to all the features. Probably that will be very helpful to us. Okay, so let's click on next. All right, so welcome to ChatGPT. This is where you can ask any question that you want, and then answers will be given. The possibilities are endless, right? Think of any question, from your research questions, from your examination past question you want answers to, from every question. Think of every question. This platform will be able to help you answer those questions. All right, so because I do not want you to doubt the possibility of this platform, I want us to do and to answer some basic questions. All right, so maybe what is anatomy? And then we press enter. Right, ChatGPT is answering our questions for us. This is so wonderful and very easy to get your answers. Unlike going to Google and asking for the same question, you see the junk Google will give you. You have to read through all of them to get a meaningful one for yourself. Okay, so maybe you are writing an exam. You have learned and you want a preparatory questions you try your hands on. Don't worry, ChatGPT has you covered. All you have to do is to know the right way to input your prompt, because this platform responds to prompts. The better your prompt, the better the answers is going to give you. All right, so let's do this. Write a 10 MCQ questions on the cardiovascular system. Provide answers to the question, and let's see what the outcome will be. All right, so these are the questions that Chat is creating for you to practice. All right, it also has the answers to these questions, so you do not have to worry when you are going to write MCQs and then you need some questions to practice on. It got you covered. And then mind you, for MCQs, many of our lecturers go online for these questions. There are questions already sitting there, so there's a probability that solving questions like this will help you, because you may get similar or even same questions in your examination. Okay, So here are the questions, and it has also provided. By now, I know that you've seen how useful this platform is and why you should be using it for your studies. Okay, let's do with one other question, and then, alright, so explain in detail the processes of wound healing. Answers to these questions. Okay, so I will stop generating the response. Alright, so you've seen it. It's giving an answer and it's explaining every single step in wound healing. That is so awesome. Alright, it makes it easy for you to learn, easy for you to get the answers you want, unlike going to Google, and then easy for you to save time and increase your productivity. So right now, I want you to click on the link I've put in the description and sign up for this. It's going to help you in your studies and even your examinations. If this video helped you, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the like button, and click on the bell so that you get notification of every single video I drop. Thank you.